Hello my clay friends, this is RB Jules from STOhandmade Craft Spot. Today I want to share with you basic products that you can use to get started in your venture in polymer clay. It's very simple materials and not a whole lot that you actually need to get started. Basically all you would need is an acrylic roller to get started, a tissue blade so that you can cut your clay and use it to clean up your edges, and you can also do creative things with your tissue blade as well, which I'll show you in later videos. And a clay starter pack of your choice. Today I'm showing you a Fimo soft pack of clay. It has 25 gram packs inside the kit, and you have beautiful colors that you can experiment and get started with. You have other clay starter packs such as Sculpey, Primo packs, and other clay brands. I preferably use Sculpey Primo brands. Also, you would use a pasta machine. You have a variety of brands out there, such as the Makin's pasta machine, the Atlas, the Poly roller. You can find one at your local yard sale, or anywhere that they sell products to make pasta. You could buy a machine that way. And then you would get a toaster oven, which you can pretty much buy anywhere: Target, Walmart, your local hardware store, for your smaller projects. And then you can also use a regular convection oven with the other couple of tools for your larger projects that won't fit inside of a regular toaster oven. And then you need a work surface such as this huge tile piece that I'm using, that I do my projects on, which you can get it at your local hardware like Lowe's or Home Depot, or whatever that hardware place is in your area. And that's pretty much all you need to really get started in your polymer clay adventure. I will share more tips and tricks and things that you can use to add to your polymer clay adventure in subsequent videos. Until then, thank you. Bye.